Today is February the 25th, 2-25, and our title today is going to be Peeling Shadow B. Peeling Shadow B. Let's get our sketchbooks opened up here. Looks like I have room for one more down at the bottom. Don't forget to put the date inside your box so I know when it was from. And let's get started. We're going to start with just a very simple box today. No big deal. Okay, like a rectangle. Just like that. Okay, real loose, real light. Okay, we're going to come from the top and we're going to pull out the first part of the B. Bring it back around, and here's the second part right there. Okay, so you've just basically made a backwards 3 inside of this box. I'm going to straighten this out at the bottom a little bit right there. And let's erase what we don't need. So I don't need any of this all along the right side. And I'm going to straighten up the bottom here. And let's go ahead and make the inside as well. I'm going to come up just a little bit, right about to here. Make a line straight up and down. And I'm going to curve the inside of this B. I'm going to bring it up, curve it up here as well. Okay, if it doesn't look right or if it looks too big or too small, you can always go back and erase it and fix it how you want it. Okay, so our next step is going to be to make this very clear. Okay, so I'm just going to go back over what I did. And I'm kind of straightening it up a little bit. I'm kind of fixing it up how I want it. Okay, I've made the insides of the B a little smaller. That's what I would prefer to have it. And I went ahead and made the outsides a little bit smaller too. Okay, so now I'm going to erase anything that I don't need. Looks like I need to fix this just a little bit more. There we go. And now we need to make the shadow part. And how we're going to do that is I'm going to start at this corner and I'm going to come down just a little bit, maybe right to about here. Right to about where this corner is at, actually. So if I pretend and I bring a line this way, it's going to come out to the left like that, just horizontal, and it's going to curve right back down into the B. Okay, so it's like this is just coming off right here. Go ahead and shade that solid. Just like that. Okay, and now we're going to come across and pretend like the shadow's continuing, and then it's going to come here and into the B. Into the bottom of this curve right here. Fill this in solid. Okay. Our next step is going to be to do the same thing on the bottom. Okay. Fill it in nice and solid. Alright, and there you have it. There is your Peeling Shadow B. So I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure that you try to line up the insides of your B so that you have correct proportion, that you have this side is equal, this part of the letter is equal, and also you need to make sure that it's dark and clear. You erase any lines or marks that you don't need, and you've got solid shading in 3 areas on the left and 1 each on the inside of the B.